to Jollibee. We are 8 minutes away. Let's get it. Vroom, vroom, vroom. The gravy on the chicken.
1, 2, 3.
What is up, family? We are back for another video. Hey, this one is near and dear to my heart. For some of you guys that don't know, I had a chance to go to the Philippines, and when I was at the Philippines, it was amazing. And I went to this place called Mandaluyong.
2,000 years later.
The place was Mandaluyong. It's right here. I'm gonna put it on the screen for y'all. And it was amazing. It was fascinating. I'm talking about, it was everything I can imagine. And the place that we're about to go to right now is near and dear to my heart, because driving from Manila and going to Mandaluyong, the city, it was amazing. You know, we got to drive to the city. I got to say hi to people as we were in the Jeepies, and we get there and there's kids all over the place, and they're just full of love, full of excitement. We're saying hi and making faces and taking pictures. Then I meet the mayor of Mandaluyong. I meet her, and she was super special, super sweet too. But overall, the experience there was amazing. But I'm at a restaurant and I found out that it's here in America. And I said, why not take a journey? This restaurant is very nostalgic to me because I met a little young kid. His name was Christian, and I'm gonna put him right here on the screen. Christian, oh, I love him. He was so cute and adorable. He's probably big now because it was probably what, 5 years ago or something like that. But Christian, man, he was amazing. I was teaching him how to write a letter to God and talk to God, and he was asking me questions, and oh man, it was amazing. He got on top of my shoulders. He wanted to be high. He says, I want to see, because they were performing and all that. But there was a time where we fed all the kids, and we got them Jollibees, and they was excited, and there was like spaghetti everywhere, food, gravy, chicken. I mean, these kids were going crazy for this Jollibee. And little Christian was right there, and he would share his Jollibee with me. And I found out that there's a Jollibee here in LA. So I'm here. Jollibee, here we go.
1, 2, 3. Funk it.
Oh, Kuya, huh? What part of the Philippines you from? Miguel, nice to meet you. Oh, you're Jose Rizal? Your name is Jose Rizal?
No.
Nice to meet you, Kuya. I'm excited to try some Jollibees. Yes, very near and dear to my heart. Mabuhay. God bless you, man. See you soon. All right. Jonathan Reyes. You know, you told me to come to Jollibee, and I'm here, and I'm ready. What am I gonna get? Ooh, spicy chicken dipped in gravy, pineapple. Ooh, I am ready. Ate, how are you?
Hi, Johnny afternoon. Jollibee Beverly.
Jollibee, this is Jollibee Makati or Manila?
No.
Or Davao?
No.
No?
Jollibee
Jollibee
USA.
USA. All right, I'm ready. I'm ready to order. So it's for here. It's for here. So I need the chicken with the gravy. Let me get the 2-piece
The 2-piece.
with one side. What it's gonna be?
The sides are, we have the steamed rice, mashed potato, french fries, and adobo rice.
Oh, I gotta come back for the adobo rice, but let me have mashed potatoes.
Mashed potato.
Yes.
And what drink?
Oh, do you have a Filipino drink?
Just the pineapple juice.
No buku juice? Oh my lord.
Yeah, it's like
The pineapple quencher?
Yeah.
Oh, let me grab that pineapple quencher. All right, perfect.
Thank you, Jeremy.
Oh my lord, thank you.
Yeah.
I am. Look at Kuya right here. What's your name again?
Boy.
Boy? Look at what he's watching.
Yeah.
He's watching us on the vlog. Tri-tips is amazing. Yeah.
Yeah.
And this your daughters?
No, this one.
Oh. Nice to meet y'all. Nice to meet you, friends. With the grandma cookies. Take care, Queen. No, you're famous already. Look, you guys are famous already. What'd you guys get?
Stuff, right? And adobo.
Are the with the adobo rice is good? I have to come back for that.
Yeah, you need to try it.
Does it have chicken in it? Oh, I gotta come back, man. Nice to meet y'all. What's your name?
I'm Titus.
Titus? Nice to meet y'all. I'll give it to you right now. All right, guys. Got the pineapple quencher right here. I am ready for that. I got the honey mustard, and this is the pineapple barbecue sauce, I think. Got the gravy for the chicken. Got some napkins, cause you guys are napkin. All right, here we go, Joy LA. And Chickenjoy, they go well together. All right, here we go. Don't mind that stuff right there. Somebody's working, but we're YouTubing tonight. All right, cool. These are the chicken strips. I'm about to tear those up. The moment you guys been waiting for. Oh my lord, look at that chicken. Wow, look at the gravy on that, man. Oh my lord. I gotta come back for the spaghetti, the adobo rice. I have to come back. Alright, we go. We ready? Mashed potatoes. Let's see. I'm just gonna try them. See how they are. Yo, mashed potatoes are so buttery. Like buttery. Like you taste the mashed potato. Yes. First, I'm gonna try the chicken strips because I really didn't know that they had chicken strips. So I was like, why not try these? How are you?
Hi.
Salamat. You're good. I was watching it for you. And this right here, this is the barbecue pineapple, right?
Yeah, that's a pineapple barbecue.
Pineapple barbecue from where? Cebu?
Oh.
Pineapple barbecue sauce. Oh my lord. Makes me want to kiss you. That's really good. First of all, the chicken strip is amazing. Second, the pineapple barbecue. Wow. I can eat this every day. Every day. Still gotta try the pineapple quencher. Heard it. Bob. Jonathan, special shout out to you. Special shout out to all my Filipinos who watch this video. The honey mustard is delicious. Alright, here we go. Oh man. I can eat this every day. You come over here, then I got a drive-thru. I'm gonna be here tonight. Alright, the moment you guys all been waiting for. I got the chicken and the Jollibee chicken right here. With the gravy. That's where I'm aiming for. Hey, salamat. All right, here we go. Wow. Ready? The gravy on the chicken. Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay, here we go. We got a lot of gravy on it. First bite, first bite. This is a special kind of chicken. Oh my lord. This right here, I must say this is love. First bite. Alright, here we go. Let's go. You ready? Wow, this is probably one of the most refreshing drinks I ever had. And it tastes like something straight from the island. I don't know what you guys think. All my Filipinos, do you guys really love this? Because do you love this as much as I love this? Wow. Still got some gravy in there. Alright. Overall, I gotta get out of here because the music in the background. But this is so refreshing. I'm gonna take this with me. I'll be right back. Oh wait. Oh, I forgot to get a. Wait. I'll be back. I forgot one thing. Gerald, I forgot one thing. Are you ready? I forgot the pie. I can't forget that, right? I need that. It's a must. All right, let me get my card. Should I get 10? No, just give me one. Wow, look at all these Jollibees. Gerald, this is me? Thank you. I almost forgot my drink. Forgot this. All right, here we go. Woo. Beautiful California. The peach, the pineapple quencher. All right, guys. So I got the peach mango pie right here. What? I'm about to tear this up. All right, here we go. Hold on. Oh my god. What? Yo, take a look at them. Yo, this, oh my lord. Look, oh, it's busting. All right, here we go. I'm gonna stop playing with it. All right, here we go. I only got one of these. I don't even know how much it was, but this is so good. The interesting thing about this right now is that this is actually hot. But Jollibee's, you always have a special place in my heart, and I thank you. Wow. I thank y'all for loving me through it all. There's joy in every bite. I'll be right back, guys. Love you. I'm getting out of here, but I definitely want to say a special shout out to all my Filipinos, everybody in the world. I
I don't know where you're at, but I want you to, after you subscribe, first of all, you gotta like, then subscribe, and then I want you to Google Jollibee's, and wherever it's at, walk there, drive there, or catch a plane there, because this, by far, I want to say, and I just want to say this, not because of the video, this is by far some of the best chicken in the entire world. And I've been to some places, the best fried chicken in the entire world is right here. Definitely, I just want to tell you I love you. Get to a Jollibee near you and eat. Get it. The 2-piece special. Why not? Spicy or original. Why not? But I love you guys. God bless you. And keep making hearts smile. Continue to love God. Continue to love people. But also continue to love food with the people that love God and that you want to love God and all that. Do it together. Change the world. Love you. Christian, this one's for you, brother. Jollibee for you and the Filipino family. This is amazing. Love y'all.